السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. Now, inshallah ta'ala, we will start by chapter 7. We will continue, inshallah ta'ala, by chapter 7. We will start part 4 from chapter 7, assignment number 7. Draw a pyramid with a given dimensions 5 by 5 by 8.5 centimeter. As we know and as we discussed before, now we have a pyramid. We will have to draw a pyramid with a given dimensions. Now, the first thing we will draw here now is a sketch. We have to draw a sketch for the pyramid to know what is the shape we will go to draw. Okay, pyramid is a shape, geometrical shape with base like a rectangle 5.5 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Okay, this is a rectangle. Is any rectangle shape or any fourth sides shape, four side shapes. Okay, then we can start to draw the shape of the pyramid by making or by determining the center of the basement. Then from the center of the basement, assume here we have point R as we did before. 1, 2, 3. Okay, R 1, 2, 3. Now to draw the height, this is the width of the pyramid and this is the depth of the pyramid. From here we can see the front view, from here right side view and the top view. Okay, now to draw the height of the pyramid, we can choose the center point of the basement, okay, and go up with a given height about 8.5 centimeter, and this is the head point of the pyramid. Okay, number 4. Let us now connect 4 with 1, 4 with R, 4 with 2, and 4 with point 3. This is a sketch for a pyramid. This is a sketch for a pyramid. Okay, now how can we draw a real shape of a pyramid using two methods, isometric or oblique method, to draw the real shape or the pictorial of the pyramid. Okay, now for parts 4, 5, 6, I will choose one method to draw, then you can continue to other method. You have to draw the method which I draw here now, and you can also, or you have to also, to draw the another way. If I choose here, assume for any shape, if I choose to draw isometric, also you have to draw isometric and oblique and the projection, okay, by using the real dimensions. If I draw an oblique, you have to draw the oblique and also you have to draw the isometric shape of the given shape. Okay, let us now draw the pyramid using the isometric, or draw the isometric shape of the pyramid. Isometric shape. Isometric. As we discussed before, isometric is drawn from point R with two straight lines or inclined lines by 30 degrees and 30 degrees. Okay. Now for the given pyramid, we have to determine the maximum length of, or the total length of the depth. The total length of the depth here is 5 centimeter, and the total length of the width is 5 centimeter, and the total length of the height is 8.5 centimeter. So here we will start with the basement R1 and R3. Okay, R1 and R3. We can continue to draw the shape, the given shape. Okay, R1, R3. Now, by using the compass, we can draw here the arc and here the arc, so we can complete the basement. And the first thing, this is the difference between the regular shapes, how to draw the regular shapes and other shapes. The difference is now we will start step by step. We cannot draw, or we did not draw like what you can see here. I did not draw the height. Why? Because it's different from one shape to another for regular shapes. So we will continue like what I did here. R1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the basement of the pyramid. Now we can draw the line, the major diameter and the minor diameter of the rectangle shape, and determine the center point O. Now from the center point, we can choose the height of the pyramid. Okay, the height of the pyramid can be drawn here. All violet and red colors is not a principal lines. It's just a help lines to draw to continue drawing the shape. Now this is the height, 8.5 centimeter. Here we draw 5 centimeter, and here we draw 5 centimeter. Okay. We determine here the height, 0.4. Then we have to connect 4 with 1, 4 with 2, 4 with 3, and 4 with point R. This is the isometric shape of the pyramid. Now, the remaining things here, the point 2, we cannot see point 2. So all the lines going to the point 2 is a hidden lines. A hidden lines. So we can here erase like this. So we can get here a hidden lines for a shape. This is for point 2. Point 2 is the interior point inside the shape. So we cannot see this point. That means all the lines connected to this point is a hidden lines. Okay. This is the pyramid using isometric. The same procedure we follow for the oblique, and we will get يعني the same shape, but يعني this is a different way to do this shape. Okay, now to draw the pictorial of to draw the projection, sorry, to draw the projection of the given shape, we can write also the axis of a projection as we did always. Before we proceed to the projections, let us determine, or let us draw the given dimensions of the pyramid. Given dimensions, here we can see here clearly that from point 1 to R, we can draw 5 centimeter, right here 5 centimeter. And for this is for width and depth. And also here 5 centimeter. And for the height, we can draw it everywhere for the height. It's 8 point, sorry, it's 8.5. 8.5. 8.5. And for the angles, now this angle is 30 degrees and this angle is 30 degrees. Okay, I will fix the video here for the given pyramid to see it, and you can draw it clearly. Okay, now let's proceed for the projection. See here for the right side view and for the front view, right side view, and the top view, right side view. Okay, if we now want to draw the projection, we can see here for right side view, we can see here point R, 1 and 4 as a triangle, and for front view also R, 3, 4. For the top view, we can see all the points R, 1, 2, 3, and 4 is at the mid of the basement. Okay, so the first thing we can draw it as we did before is a standard shape of all what we standard shape for all pictorials or for all projections. Standard shape here is a rectangle. We can draw it in a front view with a given height. Okay, here 5 centimeter, 8.5. Also, we can draw it with 5 centimeter, also 8.5 for right side view. And the projection here for the top view. Okay, now this is the three projections, planes, and axes for our pyramid. Here Z, Z, X, Y, and with the angle 50. Top view, front view, right side view. Here at the right side view, at the top view, sorry, we have find here 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Okay, now let us put the projection of the pyramid inside the standard shapes we draw it for the projections. We will start with point R now. We will start with point R. R here always for front view and here for the right side view. Okay, let me show the points R. Okay, okay, now this is point R. Now let us start by front view. This is R, R, 3, 4, like a triangle. R, 3, 4 is lying at the midpoint of the line. We can jump to up and determine 4 here. So R4, R3, like a triangle with a green line, okay, with the green color. R1 stay behind the R point and 2 behind 3 are alone. This is the projection of the pyramid in the front view. In right view, we write here R and 1. This is R and 1. And the same procedure we follow for point 4. It's lying at the midpoint between R and 1 and up to the full height at 8.5. Okay, connect between R and 4, also 4 here, like what we did here. Okay, we get R1, 4, 2 is here, and 3 is behind R, and 4 alone. So now if we go to draw the top view, if we choose point by point or as a full shape, we can, and we have two choices. If we follow one point by one point, R and R here, one from here and one from here, so one becomes here, 1, 2 from here and 2 from here, we find 2 here, 3 and 3, 3, 4, 4 from here and 4 from here. When we crossing it, we find 4 at the midpoint here. So we can connect 1 with 2 like this. Sorry for this lines. 2, 3, 3 are straight lines, not inclined lines, and 4 with 1. Now for 4, we have an edges between 4 and R for 3 and for all points. So this is the edges between the lines. Okay, let me erase this line and draw it in a good way. Maybe we can draw it a proper way more than what it's clear here. Okay, let me do it clearly here. 1 to 2 and R to 3. Okay, and we can connect all points here and lines here. So the projection will be appear like this. Okay, this is for the pyramid, part 4 of assignment number 7. This is a pyramid, a real shape using isometric method, and this is the projection. Still the oblique one, you have to draw the oblique one also to draw isometric and to draw the projection of the shape. Okay, now let us end this video. Okay, and we will يعني إن شاء الله تعالى see you in another video for the set of uh, the assignment. Okay.